Alright guys, I'm back with another tutorial. This is tutorial land. This is creative mode 1.8.2. Happy to do this in creative mode now because it's a ton easier and it's way more efficient and better for you. So today we have the double iron doors. I know this is a pretty big issue with getting them to open at the same time, but I'll show you how to do that today. So what you're going to want to do is just place two iron doors side by side like so, and these two blocks on top are just purely for reference. You'll see them across all the steps just as a reference. So once you have your two iron doors side by side, you'll need to initiate one of them. You'll run into this problem. So you have the two pressure plates in front of the doors, and then one closes and one opens just like that, rendering the doors pretty much useless. So once you have one of the doors open, you can just go ahead and delete that pressure plate. Okay, so from the doors in the front, you're just going to want to dig 2 blocks from the front and also 2 blocks from the back. And this is just going to be where all your redstone wiring will go. And from the side of the left door, dig 3 blocks and just make a big square. Leave the 2 blocks where the doors are because otherwise your doors would disappear. Alright, so now what you're going to want to do is just dig down 4 blocks. And as you can see, this is made on a flatland seed, and you need 4 blocks of space, which is why I added this other layer of dirt. So once you have this all dug out, and you can dig the blocks under the top layer of dirt that the doors are on. Once you have this all dug out, we'll start with some redstone wiring. Alright. So the first thing you're going to want to do is place dirt blocks 2 underneath the blocks that the doors are on, and on top of these blocks you're going to want to place redstone torches. Now as you'll notice, the doors will have changed positions, so we'll get around this in a few steps, but coming off these 2 blocks that you placed, just staircase down on each side, on each of the 3 sides, and add a piece of redstone right on top. Alright, should look just like that. Alright, next step, on these back pieces that you staircase down, go ahead and staircase up up, and you'll have 2 pieces of dirt flat like that, and just go ahead and keep running redstone, and then staircasing down another time, and do that on the other side as well, still connecting it with redstone. For the piece of dirt in the front, go ahead and add another one right next to it, and go ahead and place a torch just like that. Now, as you'll notice, both doors are shut now because you have inverted this signal to this torch, and now both doors are shut. So the reason why this redstone goes high like this is where your pressure plates will go. So let's finish off the wiring. So on these outside redstone lines, you're just going to want to go ahead and run them right into the block where the torch is, and go ahead and do that on both sides. Now above the high points of the redstone, you're going to want to place 2 blocks and put pressure plates on top of them on both sides. And now this is pretty much the basics of the wiring. I'll show you. I'm just gonna connect the pathway right here. Look like that pressure plate was glitching out. Okay, so now when you walk through, the doors open and close at the exact same time. Now keep in mind, this design is pretty reliable, but if you are having issues with timing, here's a suggestion I offer to you. The redstone connecting to this torch on both sides, go ahead and replace with a repeater and hit it to 1 tick delay. Same with this side. Now this is if you're having problems with the doors being delayed. And also do it on this side into this torch and the lower torch, and do 1 tick delays just like that. This is if you're having problems with your doors being delayed. Now, because this the design with just the redstone worked with these doors, I don't know if it varies per door, but that's the case it seems to be. Then, because now see how that door is delayed? Without the repeaters, it isn't delayed, but with it they are. But sometimes it's opposite, where without the repeaters there's a delay, but with there is no delay. Well, I hope this has been helpful, guys. I know I've been looking for one of these tutorials, and I just was messing around in creative and found this fairly easy way. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later.